Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss a question from Economics Class 11, Chapter 5, Human Capital Formation in India. Our question is, what are the main problems of human capital formation in India? The main problems of human capital formation in India are as follows. Lack of resources. The economic resources needed to fund investment in education and health for human capital formatting in India are not sufficient. Even though government increases the planned outlay for health and education sectors every year, it remains inadequate in comparison to demand for the facilities. Implementation problems. There are various programs being run by the government for human capital formation like Sarva Shiksha Abhiyan and National Rural Health Mission. They badly suffer from corruption and faulty implementation due to which the benefits do not reach the people. Quality issues. Though there has been a progress in human capital formation in India in quantitative terms, quality of human capital is far from satisfactory. Health facilities are not proper in many areas and education system in India is producing unemployable educated youth. Large size of population. Due to large size of population, it has become very difficult for the government to deliver the facilities and infrastructure required for human capital formation. Lack of proper planning. Planning for human capital formation has not been proper due to which there is always a shortage of manpower in the health and education sectors. There are schools but no teachers and there are hospitals but no doctors to work in rural areas. Similarly, even the physical infrastructure falls shortage of requirement. There are lesser classrooms than needed in these schools and lesser number of beds than required in hospitals. Thank you, and for more such content, subscribe to Intellify.